I'm Dave Loveless. I work for Admiral insurance company. I'm an infrastructure manager. I'm responsible for the data centers, storage and backup estates. So Admiral is the largest UK car insurance company. They also provide travel insurance, pet insurance and home insurance. And we have around 9 million customers. Admiral is part of Admiral Group and they are a Forbes Global 2000 and a FTSE 100 company. So Admiral's history is one of exceptional customer services, growth, profitability and innovation. Because of what we provide quite a range of products and services, and as a result we have quite a diverse portfolio. So what this means for an IT perspective is we need to make sure that we provide good data protection, and essentially we have to make sure that we're compliant with the FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority regulations, and Veeam essentially helps us to achieve that. We also have work with the cloud, so we have Azure, GCP, cloud, so with workload portability, we have to make sure we can protect our data as well. Prior to Veeam, Admiral didn't have great visibility into their backups and we didn't have great recoverability. So with Veeam, we were able to achieve much better insight into our backups, what was happening with them, and we have great speed and performance with our solution. With Veeam, we back up around just over 3 petabytes of data across over 700 virtual machines. We also protect Microsoft 365 data as well, so this enables us to protect our Exchange Online mailboxes, our SharePoint, Teams data, and also of course our OneDrive data as well for our users. So Veeam Backup for Microsoft 365 essentially allows us to protect our data and also gives us granular recovery for Exchange mailbox items, SharePoint files, OneDrive files and folders, and that's good for our user base. So when we were looking to implement Veeam in the first place, going back about 3 or so years now, one of the challenges our IT director was around how we're going to protect our data against threats such as ransomware, cyber attacks and so on. So with our solution, we invested in Pure FlashBlades. Now Pure FlashBlades, they provide immutable snapshots, so we're able to snapshot our data and keep that safe. Veeam One reporting is great for us, so it allows us to schedule reports, so I don't need to spend engineer time manually creating reports or looking into consoles and coming up with data. It's all there for us. Since we invested in Veeam and brought the solution in, we now have much better visibility into how good our backup jobs are, so how secure our data is. We didn't have that prior to Veeam. We had quite an expensive solution that was managed by a third party. So we brought the solution back in-house and we had a team of engineers working within Admiral who managed the backup solution. This essentially has saved the business a substantial amount of money over the course of 5 years. The benefit to our customers essentially is we can provide good data protection, we can provide good recovery tests, we can provide the attestations that we need to for our auditors, whether it's an internal audit or an external audit. One of the things that we like to do is making things simple, and with Admiral we like to look after our customers and making things rewardingly simple. Well, the favourite thing about Veeam is its reliability and how fast it can back up the data for us.